Ja, wir sind hier auf der Meine Money und natürlich versuchen wir hier interessante Interviews zu machen, vor allem natürlich wie der Markt Sentiment ist. Und es freut mich ganz herzlich, dass wir hier Arturo haben von SantaCruz. SantaCruz kennen Sie ja, ich habe schon sehr oft darüber berichtet und jetzt wollen wir einfach mal ein bisschen auf den Zahn fühlen, was so die letzten Monate gebracht hat. Arturo, thank you that you're coming. First question to you is, what was really the highlights in the last 3 to 6 months by your company?
Thank you, Jochen. One of the highlights was bringing Rosario into production and finally during this year setting up a steady production and ramp up at Rosario. So it's coming along nicely and we should be cash flow positive this December. That was our first target, right? And the next target following the cash flow positive is reaching the full capacity at Rosario of 500 tons per day. So we're expecting to be there. We expect to be there by the end of first quarter next year, and we believe Rosario is proving strong, and it's our first credential to the market that we are here to deliver, and we're excited about it.
You say, okay, you're cash flow positive in December, and fully production in end of Q1. What this mean in terms? What do you expect on revenues? What do you expect on cash flow?
Well, Rosario, once it reaches full capacity, 12 months after, you will be producing around 2 million ounces of silver equivalent on a yearly basis. Cash cost per equivalent ounce is around $12. So, I mean, you can set up the price of silver by then, and then you'll be there in your cash flow analysis.
Okay, your expectation about the silver price will come a little bit later, but first is a question that, and that was the reason why I asked about the cash flow. There are some rumors in the market that you maybe need another finance round and you must finance, and maybe this is also a indication why your share price is really, really low.
Could be. Well, actually, we're fully financed to get Rosario as where it is right now, and now it's starting to bring cash. We have a treasury today around $8 million. We need a finance or money to bring San Felipe into production, our next mine to be built. But at the same time, I would like to point out that we as insiders, friends and family, hold a significant amount of shares on the company. And at the same time, I'm running the company, so any formula that will take care of our investors and at the same time doesn't compromise the performance and the management of the business growing there will be reviewed. And if the opportunity is there, we will take advantage of the opportunity. If not, if it is not there, we'll just wait and keep developing and planning on San Felipe, and looking forward to build it on the right time and the right moment, whatever is best for our shareholders. But we're not going to do any initiative that compromise the future of the company, and of course the possible return for our shareholders.
So that means also you have maybe other opportunities like going on the capital on the next finance round for the dilution.
I mean, at this moment in time, and our stock trading as it is trading today, definitely we're not hitting the markets today, right? We think that at this moment we just need to be careful with our treasury. We need to keep building Rosario and get focused in Rosario's cash flow. In the meantime, we will be building our pre-feasibility study on San Felipe and trying to be ready to build that mine whenever the markets are there, or when a right financial scheme it's there for us to build San Felipe, always taking care of our shareholders and at the same time of the operational needs that the company might have. With that, I want to point out that we don't want to compromise the future of any project just to build it.
Coming to the market, what is your expectation of the silver price in the future? Silver prices were low, so what do you think about the market?
Well, I think, and maybe I rather like to think conservative on that as we're running the company, and I see silver keep moving on the range of 19 on the lowest, 18 moving to $20, $23 next year, and pretty much in that range for the next year. So we'll be conservative in our assumptions and planning upon that.
Okay, thank you for the interview. Danke für das Interview. And yeah, good luck in the future.
Thanks very much.